Assalamu alaikum, I am Fayzan Bhatti and today we are going to create a drawing application in Kivy. First of all, we know about that what is Kivy. Kivy is a platform independent GUI tool in Python as it can be run on Android, iOS, Linux as well as Windows. It is basically used to develop an Android application, but it does not mean it can use to develop an desktop application. In this drawing application, what we can do? We are going to draw a simple drawing application with the help of Kivy. Initially, we are going to make a canvas and a paintbrush so that by moving the cursor, you can just feel like a drawing application like our paint. The widgets are added dynamically. We are using widgets layout randomly to make it good. For this application, the pre-requirements in Windows is pip install Kivy. Let's move to write a code in Visual Studio Code. You need to create project and save it .py. Let's write the code. Let's run this project. Wow. We can write. Thanks for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.